Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be doing a review on this Amazon 5-in-1 curling wand set. Okay, so I actually don't own a curling wand set or any type of curling wand as of the moment. I bought one years ago that was super thin. Like it started off a little bit thick and then it got really thin, like those cone looking ones. And I did not like that at all. It did not make my hair nice. It wasn't the curls I was going for and it was just a waste of my time. I think I bought it at like Winners, which is like similar to like a Marshall's in Canada. So I've been looking for a curling wand set because, you know, I've seen them being very popular right now and they curl hair really well. But I didn't want to spend a lot of money on one just in case like I didn't like it. And honestly, I use my straightener to curl my hair and it does the job really well. So this was kind of just like a second set of tools I would have to curl my hair if ever my straightener wasn't there, or you know, I wanted to try something different. So it isn't like my top appliance to do my hair, so that's why I didn't want to spend a lot of money. So I've been doing a lot of research on Amazon because I know that I bought that one step hair styler, like it was a blow dryer brush thingy, and that was really good, and I paid like maybe 50 bucks for it, whereas like the competing brand is going for like maybe $20 more. So I trust Amazon a little bit, so I decided to try this brand out, which is called Hot. I have no idea. Hot? Anyways, this brand out, and I think I paid $34.99 Canadian for it. It came in this box, and it fit, let's see, it fit the interchangeable wand thing that curls your hair, and it came with 5 sets of curling wands. Let's hope I can hold this all in my hands, these ones. So the actual box that it came in, it was like basically packed in there. It wasn't like set nicely. It wasn't anything nice to open. So that's why I really don't want to show you how I unboxed it, because it was basically me pulling out one by one the wands from the box itself, and it was just in like a simple plastic. Like it was wrapped nicely and clean, but the box is nothing to talk about. It's nothing crazy, nothing exciting. They just packed it all in a box. But whatever, I mean, I don't need the box. As long as everything works well, then I'm happy. But yeah, so it basically came in this, and it came with a set of instructions on how to use the curling wand set. And basically it's basic instructions. It's how to put the wand, the handles onto the barrel, and how to take the barrel out of the handle. They have a little push thing. So as you can see here, they have one push here, one push here. So that's how you basically take them out. Just show you an example. So I'll take the biggest one here, and you just kind of match up the prongs, those silver prongs, to the holes, and you push it in. And you wait for that click. And then there you basically have it, and then you have your on, off buttons, and then I'll put it on. You kind of have to press it for a second there, which I just had to do. You can't just click it, it will go on automatically. You just have to press and hold it for maybe about 2 seconds. And then here's your buttons to increase the temperature. And the highest it goes is to 450 Fahrenheit. So that's the wand. It heats up very quickly. I literally just put it on and it's already very hot. They do give you a glove as well in the box so that you can hold the barrel as you're curling your hair, which is pretty good. And then I'm just gonna turn it off here. Oh, I had clicked it just once off and then I forgot I had to press and hold, which I just told you guys. Anyways, it's pretty hot, so I'm gonna use the glove so that I could take it off. Even through the glove, you could feel the heat, so I don't know if that's good. But anyways, you just want to press the 2 buttons and pull it off. And there you have it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna test it out on my hair. I put on the second biggest barrel on because I'm kind of going for more of a wavy look. I didn't really want tight curls, but if I wanted more tighter curls, I can go 1 tier down. And if I want, like, you know, super spiral curls, I can go with the bottom 2 smallest barrels. So going for waves, so I'm gonna go about this one, which I think is about 1 inch. Let me check what sizes they come with. Okay, so this instructions book does not tell me the sizes. It's just basically how to use the curling instruction, the curling wand, on what type of hair to use it on and to make sure your hair doesn't have gel and all that good stuff. But yeah, it doesn't tell me the sizes. So let's see on the box. So it says LCD display from 80 to 230 degrees Celsius. I love how they put Celsius on the box, but Fahrenheit on the actual curling wand. I'm not sure if that's something you could change. It doesn't look like, but yeah. And then it's a 5 ceramic interchangeable barrels, tangle free, 2.5 meter, 360 degrees swivel cord. Okay. I can't read. So ceramic barrel diameters, looks like the first one is 9 to 18 millimeters, 19 to 19 millimeters, 19 to 25 milliliters, 25 to 25 milliliters, and 32 to 32 milliliters. So it's in milliliters. But yeah, so that's that. I think this one would have been the 25 milliliter one, 25 to 25 milliliters. All right, so I think it's hot now. Oh yeah, it's pretty hot. And also it comes with like a self stand, this little thingy here. So when you rest it down, it doesn't go directly, the barrel doesn't rest directly on your table. So I'm gonna do a middle part today. Usually I do side parts, but I want to test it out on the middle part because I want to change it up a bit. Okay, so let's take this and wrap it around. Oh, let's try that again. Okay, that one's all right. Let's try this piece. I don't have a mirror, so I'm using like the little camera screen thingy that's on the camera because I had nowhere to prop up the mirror, so hopefully I don't burn myself. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take some hairspray, put it on. Okay, so far not too bad. Maybe I need to turn up the heat because I feel like the curls are coming out okay. Go to the highest, 450. And I'm doing it all in the same direction because I kind of want that same wave look, not like, you can do in different directions if you want the hair to look more fuller and, you know, bouncier and curlier, but I want this to be more wavy. All right, so there you have this side of my hair done, and that actually took really quick. It was about 7 minutes, and that's actually super quick. With my straightener, usually it takes maybe about 10 minutes on one side to get the curl because I have to slowly go down. But this one was really quick, and I actually like the waves. So I'm just gonna finish off this side of my hair, and I'll go show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look, and I'm actually so impressed. Like, I'm actually really excited because I was not expecting this to look so nice and hold the curl very well. And this is within, I was done, let's say, in about 15 minutes overall for my whole head. So that's actually really good. I didn't have to hold it on too long, maybe about 15 seconds each strand. And that's super short of amount of time. So wow, like, I was not expecting that, and I really like this. I was worried that this might have been too big of a barrel for my hair. It would have been like way too big of waves and it wouldn't have held properly, but the barrel size is perfect, so I like that it came with that size. I don't know if I'll try like the bigger one. I'll show you guys the first one that I did. It's really big. Maybe I'll try it out one day just to see what the curls come out like. And I might try going down to this size. It starts off a little big and it gets smaller just to see what those curls are like. And I might try all of the sizes just to see how the curls like. But I really like the size of this one. It's amazing. I love that you can, you have such a wide range that you could put the heat at, and it's really well. I know 450 might seem a little high, and it is high, but it curled my hair really well. Just make sure you use heat protectant prior to doing your hair. But I don't know, I'm really impressed. And $34, or I think it was like $35 Canadian for this, is actually really good. So for anyone that doesn't really have any styling tools or any curling irons and wants to try out a wand, I would definitely recommend this brand on Amazon. Again, it was like some weirdo brand name, Ellie Hot. I'll put it in the description down below. But yeah, no, I really like how the curls came out. It's super cute and super bouncy and like, yeah, it's really pretty. I can't stop looking. And for me not having a mirror, I think I did a good job using the camera. So yeah, no, this is the finished look. I really like it. Probably gonna use this now instead of my straightener to curl my hair, because this does a really good job. And maybe one day I will, there's hair in my mouth. And maybe one day I will invest in a higher brand, or like, you know, the high-end ones, see how that compares to these ones. But for now, definitely gonna stick with these. Super good, super affordable. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, or if you have similar brands out there in the affordable range, let me know in the comments below, and hit that like button if you enjoyed. Bye for now.